Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to cook vegetarian lemongrass turmeric rice. Hope you like it. *** vegetarian lemongrass turmeric rice *** has a fragrant, slightly spicy flavor with the distinctive taste of lemongrass and turmeric. Nutritionally, it is rich in curcumin and dietary fiber, offering anti-inflammatory and digestive health benefits. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: lemongrass, cabbage, ginger, rice. Wash and drain rice. Rice weevils in raw rice are not directly harmful, but they can contaminate the grain and affect its quality. It's best to sift and wash the rice before cooking. Generally, rinsing rice 2 to 3 times until the water runs mostly clear is ideal. This removes excess starch and impurities without losing too many nutrients. Wash and shredded cabbage. When stir-fried until golden and crispy, shredded cabbage releases an aromatic flavor similar to fried shallots, offering a savory vegetarian delight. This simple cooking method preserves the vegetable's natural sweetness while creating an irresistibly crispy texture that excites the appetite. Bruising lemongrass stalks helps break down their fibrous texture, releasing more of their bright citrusy aroma to enhance dishes. This technique is particularly useful for soups, stews, or Thai cuisine, allowing the fragrance to infuse faster into ingredients. Chopped ginger and set aside. Adding grated ginger to lemongrass rice amplifies the aroma. Ginger's warmth brilliantly complements lemongrass's citrusy notes, creating a fragrant, multi-layered dish. The result is an inviting golden rice, both comforting and appetite-boosting, perfect for chilly days. Ginger warms the body, aids digestion, and offers anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Stir-fry cabbage until golden brown. Stir-fry patiently for 15 minutes, and the shredded cabbage will gradually turn from pale green to a uniform golden color, exuding a rich caramel aroma similar to fried onions, and each strand is wrapped in an alluring wok aroma. The taste is distinct and the outer layer is crispy like seaweed, while the inner core still retains a hint of vegetable sweetness. When chewing, the crackling sound is accompanied by a sweet fragrance, which is more refreshing and non-greasy than real fried shallots. The finished product is dry and crispy, and it still maintains its crispness after cooling, which is a must-try for rice and noodles. In terms of culinary science, the natural sugar in cabbage undergoes a Maillard reaction under long-term low-temperature heating, which is the source of the golden color and profound flavor. Add a teaspoon salt. When you smell the lemongrass, add the rice and fry together. Dry toasting raw rice until golden triggers caramelization, yielding nutty aromas and enhanced sweetness. Pre-gelatinization creates firmer, separate grains perfect for fried rice or donburi. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Optional to add mushroom powder. Omit if you don't like the taste. Stir-fry rice evenly. The smell of lemongrass and turmeric powder is really fragrant, and my house is now full of aroma. Add rice into rice pot. For every cup of rice, add 1 cup of water. You can add about 1 tablespoon of water. Add chopped ginger and let's cook rice. Rice is cooked. The golden lemongrass and turmeric rice is so fragrant. Remove lemongrass from rice. Mix evenly. Let's serve with your favorite dishes.
Enjoy looking at it. Haha.
I cooked curry vegan chicken potatoes. The recipe will be uploaded tomorrow. And of course, there are delicious boiled eggs. Delicious lemongrass turmeric rice is the best combination with curry. This recipe is so delicious. Packed with curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, plus circulation-boosting spices like cinnamon and cloves. Cooked with plant-based oils, cholesterol-free ideal for vegetarians and low-fat diets. Turmeric's earthy warmth balances with coconut milk's creaminess, layered with sweet spicy undertones. Ginger and lemongrass enhance flavor, while stimulating gastric juices for better digestion. Versatile shines as a standalone dish or paired with grilled meats, curries, and veggies. Curcumin in turmeric can relieve common joint pain and chronic inflammation in the elderly, and the antioxidant components of lemongrass synergistically enhance the anti-aging effect. The combination of lemongrass and ginger stimulates intestinal peristalsis and improves the problem of slow metabolism in the elderly. The natural oil of coconut milk lubricates the intestines. Replacing white rice with brown rice can increase dietary fiber and stabilize blood sugar. It is especially suitable for the elderly with 3 highs and weak constitution. Friendly tips: if the elderly have a cold stomach, add 2 slices of ginger to cook together. If the teeth are not good, extend the cooking time to make the rice softer. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Boost your health ***. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts.
Vegetarian food can also be delicious. It's so simple and easy to make.
I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.